Tribute to Ayan. A tribute to Diana, Princess of Wales. I have a tribute book to her. I found this, see? And how she died. This is the bouquet. Diana tribute. Princess of Wales. Her son, Prince William and Prince Harry. Where she visit the kids, kiss the kids. With the party, with the champagne. This is our Princess of Wales. Since 19, she married with Prince Charles, the King of Wales. Oh, that's good. Diana tribute. His son, Prince Harry. It's a Prince William. Her husband. And they are good husband, Prince Charles and Prince William. Oh, Diana. Oh, Prince Diana wearing a dress with bouquet. I share it to you. This tribute book. Some old photos of Princess Diana and Prince, the King of Britain, King of UK, Prince Charles. A honeymoon continues in Balmoral, August 1981. Their honeymoon after their marriage. Meetings of people. Meet and greet with some people. Princess Melbourne greeted the rapturous crowds. Student. During her mother, a little child, husband. Prince Charles the King. Some photos of her family. Prince William is her two sons, Prince William and Prince Harry. Her husband, the King now. The King of Wales. King of Wales, Prince Charles. Some visit with the military. The princess permitted capacity to people from every walks of life. Visit for a seat. Princess Diana visit for a seat. And a lot more of pictures in this book where I can share with you. The the Princess of Wales with her crown. And her family and husband. The royal family. Some of you may see her like this. Princess of Wales. Her family photo with husband, Prince Charles, now the King, and two sons, Prince Harry and Prince William. And her beautiful pictures. Hi, she's a pilot. The hair photo also with the pink bouquet flowers in the hood. Oh no, with a party in her auction dress. This could be their auction dress. Auction dress for funding charities. She auctioned her dress. princess dress. Oh, it's Diana in violet. I love his purple gown and this red gown. See how beautiful she is. Another photos of here. Her black sleeveless dress. Really look at her. Her blue diamond necklace. She visited the Taj Mahal in India. Taj Mahal in India. Where's your mission? With this two black guy. Beautiful royal view. During her burial. During her burial, and the bouquet is surrounded with the bouquets. The palace. Okay, pictures now. Her burial. The end of her life. Dito was Queen Elizabeth. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Tribute for Princess of Wales Diana. I keep this.